We are here at the entrance to the Berry Forest. Just half a year ago, we were bicycling with our staff along those roads. We were planning and visioning to restore and to build the Be'eri Christian Embassy Nature Park. Today, this very place has become the main entrance road of the IDF to Gaza. Just across the horizon, there is the Gaza community. But we are committed as ICEJ, whatever Hamas destroyed, whatever was brought forth as a destructive element by this terrorist organization, we want to rebuild. We invite you to help us to rebuild the Berry Forest that is just behind us in this military area. We are challenged today more than ever to rebuild what was destroyed by the enemies, and I trust you will partner with us in this great project. God bless you.